Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my English class standard 6. Today we are going to see 4.1 Nightingale and the Nobleman. So let's start. 4.1 The Nightingale and the Nobleman. A nobleman in a faraway land once caught a nightingale and put him in a cage. No bird likes to shut up in a cage. The nightingale began to plead. Please let me free. If you let me go, I will tell you the secret of happiness. The nobleman was rich but not happy. He wanted to know the secret of happiness, so he let the bird go. Listen, said the nightingale. This is the secret of happiness. Never cry over spilled milk and never trust ideal words. The nobleman didn't think much of the secret. This is just a silly piece of advice, he exclaimed. The nightingale flew a little higher and said, Too bad you let me go. I have rare diamond under my wings. Now you won't get off any of them. Now the nobleman was really very angry and very unhappy. Oh no, how stupid of me. You weak bird, you nasty bird. Wait till I catch you again. He began to wail. Don't be so stupid, my lord, said the nightingale. It was a kind of you to let me go, and why I gave you a good piece of advice. Think over it. The first thing I said was, Don't cry over spilled milk. I am already far away from you. You can't catch me again. Then why make yourself unhappy about it? Secondly, how can an ordinary bird like me have diamond under his wings? Those were just idle words of mine. It's a mistake to trust such words. Use my bit of advice and be happy. Farewell. The nobleman watched as the bird flew away.